Hello, welcome. Today let us have a problem based on Pythagoras theorem. The problem is if AD, BE and CF are medians of triangle ABC, prove that 3 into AB square plus BC square plus CA square is equal to 4 into AD square plus BE square plus CF square. Really this particular problem is a little complicated one, but not very difficult. Let us see how this can be done. First of all, in triangle ABC, AD, BE, CF are the medians. So let me draw the triangle. Suppose this is triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. AD, you know that the median bisects the B's. BE and CF are the medians of triangle ABC. So let me join AD. AD is the median. BE is another median. CF is the third median. Okay. So A, D, B, E and CF are the three medians of triangle ABC. That is what is given to us. We have to prove that 3 into AB square plus, that means 3AB square plus 3BC square plus 3AC square is equal to 4AD square plus 4BE square for 4CF square. That we have to prove. Okay. So if any proof, you know that first of all what is given, what to prove. And if there is some construction step, you have to write construction step also. What is given here is, in triangle ABC, AD, BE and CF are the medians of triangle ABC. Are the medians in triangle ABC given are the medians. Enough? We have to prove that. What to prove is this one. 3 into AB square plus BC square plus CA square is equal to 4 into AD square plus BE square plus CF square. This is what is proved. What we have to prove. And in this particular question, construction step is there. So, let us draw AX. Let us draw AX. Okay, AX perpendicular to BC. Let us draw AX perpendicular, AX or M, whatever you wish you can take. Okay, let us give them ABC, DEF for there, leaving ABC, DEF. Any letter you want you can do. Let me take AM. Okay, so construction step is construct or draw AM perpendicular to BC. Okay. So, let us see how to prove it. Now comes the proof step. First, let us see triangle AMD. Okay. In triangle AMD, so AM is perpendicular, AMD is a right angled triangle. So, in triangle AMD, AM square is equal to AD square, that is the hypotenuse square, minus MD square. Okay. Now let us see triangle AMC. In triangle AMC, AC square is equal to, in triangle AMC, AC is the hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to AM square plus MC square. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. You see children here, AM square equal to AD square, AM square equal to AD square minus MD square we got now. This value of AM square, let us substitute here, and MC we can see, MC is MD plus DC. So in place of MC, let us substitute MD plus DC. So let me write from here. AC square is equal to, in place of AM square, I am writing AD square minus MD square within brackets for our better understanding. And MC in place of MC, let me write MD plus DC whole square. MC square means in place of MC, I have written MD plus DC. Okay. Now let us open this. So AC square equal to AD square minus MD square, and this is like A plus B whole square. MD square, A square means MD square plus, okay, before this let me do one more step. Here one more step let me do. DC is half of BC because AD bisects the base. So let us write MD plus in place of DC, let me write BC by 2 because AD bisects the base. So in place of DC, I have written BC by 2. Now let us open the brackets. AC square equal to AD square minus MD square. Here it is like A plus B whole square. MD square plus 2AB means 2 into MD into BC by 2 plus B square means here we get BC square by 4. So you can see minus MD square plus MD square is cancelled and 2 is cancelled, and we get AC square equal to AD square plus MD into BC plus BC square by 4 plus BC square by 4. Let me name it as equation 1. So what we got is AC square in terms of AD square and BC square we got. Why? Because you see here AB, BC, AC are there, and AD only 3 sides, 3 medians are here. So here also let us work out to have 3 sides and 3 medians. Clear? AM is the altitude we have taken, that is not needed, but with the help of altitude we are able to prove it. I hope this much is clear. Now let me rub the top portion and do for you. So what to prove construction also I am clearing. Same way how we found AC square, let us find AB square also in the same way. Let us find AC square also in the same way. Okay. So AC square we got. Now let us see triangle AMB. Okay. In triangle AMB, AB square is equal to, same way how we found AC square, same way let us find AB square. AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. Okay. You can see children here. Here MC means MD plus DC. But here BM means BD minus MD. So let me start from here. AB square is equal to, again this value of AM square let us substitute here. AD square minus MD square plus, in place of BM, let me write BD minus MD whole square. Okay. Now we can see how DC is BC by 2. BD is also DC by 2. BC by 2. Because AD bisects the base. So BD and DC, each of them is equal to half of BC. So in place of BD, we'll write again BC by 2. So AB square equal to AD square minus MD square plus, in place of BD I am writing BC by 2 minus MD whole square. That implies AB square equal to AD square minus MD square. Again this is like A minus B whole square. So A square, that is BC square by 4. Okay, minus 2 into BC by 2 into MD plus MD square. That implies AB square equal to minus MD square plus MD square again cancelled. Here 2 is cancelled. We get AD square. Okay, AD square plus BC square by 4 and minus BC into MD. This is, let us take this as equation 2. You can see here plus MD into BC, here we got minus MD into BC. Now let us add AB square and AC square, which we have taken as first equation and second equation. Let us add these two equations. Okay. So only that equation I am keeping and rubbing the red line. So AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square is equal to AB square is AD square plus BC square by 4 minus BC into MD, AB square, and AC square is plus AD square plus MD into BC and plus BC square by 4. Okay. So minus BC into MD plus MD into BC cancelled. So AB square plus AC square equal to AD square plus AD square is 2AD square, and BC square by 4 plus BC square by 4 is 2 into BC square by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2s are 10. Now let us simplify this. So AB square plus AC square equal to, LCM is 2. We get 4AD square plus BC square. Let me cross multiply. We get 2AB square plus 2AC square is equal to 4AD square plus BC square. Okay. So what we got is, after simplifying these, we got 2AB square plus 2AC square equal to 4AD square plus BC square. So what did you understand from this? For AB and AC means the angle between AB and AC is angle A. From the vertex A to opposite side BC is the AD. Okay, and AD is the median which is bisecting BC, that BC. So similarly we have done for this. If you take the perpendicular from B to AC, what you are going to get is 2BC square plus 2AC square equal to 4BE square plus AC square. And also, if you take a perpendicular from C to AB, your gate C to AB means from C to AB, that one. Okay, AB square plus AC square we got 4AD square plus BC square. And for this, BC square plus AC square means BC square, this one. Here we will get 2CF square. Here we will get 2CF square. For this, in between these two, this one. 4CF square you will get plus AB square you are going to get. Same way, for these two sides, okay, 2AB square plus 2BC square, 2AB square plus 2BC square. For these two sides, you will get 4BE square, and this is bisecting AC square. So 1 and 2 equation, this one here we added 1 and 2 equations. By here we can write by adding 1 and 2 equations. 1 and 2 equations. Okay. So 2 equations we got. Now let us take it as third equation. This one 4, this one 5. So now we got these 3 equations. Let us add all these 3 equations. Third, fourth and fifth. We are going to get the required proof. The required proof, I hope you remember. 3 into AB square plus BC square plus AC square equal to 4 into the square, sum of the squares of the medians. Okay. By adding 3, 4 and 5 equations, when we add, we get 2AB square plus 2AB square, we are going to get 4AB square. 2AC square plus 2AC square is 4AC square. 2BC square plus 2BC square is 4BC square is equal to 4AD square, no more AD. 4AD square plus BC square. Here no single same items are same what sides are not there, same line segments are not there. 4AD square plus BC square plus 4CF square plus AB square plus 4BE square plus AC square. Now let us bring BC square, AB square, AC square this side. So we get 4AB square minus AB square plus 4AC square minus AC square, okay, plus 4BC square minus BC square is equal to 4AD square plus 4BE square plus 4CF square. Now we get 4AB square minus AB square is 3AB square plus 3AC square plus 3BC square is equal to 4 common AD square plus BE square plus CF square. So again here if you take 3 common, you are going to get, if you take 3 common, 3 into AB square plus BC square plus AC square equal to 4 into AD square plus BE square plus CF square. That is what we have to prove, and that is proved. So with this we have come to the end of this question.